Look what we have here. This is slime mold. Some people call it dog vomit. It actually feeds on decaying organic material. So it's feeding on this mulch that's around this tree. You usually see slime mold when you have wet conditions. So right after rain, in about a week or so, you'll probably see slime mold. Here's the thing about slime mold. It is not harmful to plants, to people, to the environment. It actually lasts for about a week or two, and then it'll go away. If you want to get rid of it, just a couple of things you can do. Get a rake, just rake it out, or get a scoop and just scoop it out. You don't have to worry about spraying a fungicide or anything like that. So again, slime mold, also known as dog vomit. Pretty cool. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.